Welcome to BioVivacious. As you know, BioVivacious is a YouTube channel dedicated to clear fundamental concepts of biosciences. In this video, we are going to understand how exactly we calculate standard deviation for a discrete distribution. Let us take an example to understand standard deviation for a discrete distribution. Assume somebody has cultivated varieties of rose plants in his garden, and each variety is giving number of flowers per bunch. So therefore, let us assume that each species, so therefore this is giving, there is one species which will give 7 flowers per bunch, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 flowers per bunch. And you find the frequency of this. So therefore very many samples are taken. So therefore if the frequency of this is 13, then 18, 17, then 15 and 14. So these are the frequencies. Okay, now in the formula which we will use in order to calculate standard deviation for a discrete distribution, therefore sigma is equal to summation of all the values. So from 1 to I is equal to 1 to n. So therefore this is fi xi square minus fi xi all square divided by summation of, write down, summation of 1 to n, summation of fi xi all square divided by summation of all the fi values divided by summation of all the fi values minus 1. This is also 1 to n. Here also 1 to n and the root of that. This is the formula which we will be using. So therefore we need to find summation of all the fi values. So therefore this is summation of all the fi values. So this happens to be 90. Summation of all this is 90. So therefore we have this, this is 90 and this is going to be 89. These two values are found. Now what we need to find? We need to find, first let us find fi into xi, that is 7 into 13. So let us remove this, so create little space. We are going to find out fi into xi value. Okay, 7 into 13, this is what we are going to find. So let me write down these values. So we have found fi into xi value. I used a calculator to do that. So this is equal to 860. So we got that value also. Now what we need to find is fi into xi square. So therefore let us find, let me use a different color. So this is xi square, and after xi square only we need to find fi into xi square. So therefore xi square, 7 into 7, 49, 81, this is 100, this is 121, this is 144, that we have got. Now what we need to do is fi 13 into 49 and 13 into 64, 18 into 81, 17 into 100. So fi into xi square we need to write down. So therefore those values are, we have done the calculation, fi into xi square is equal to 8458. So now we have got all the readings, all the values. So now let us write down the formula. So therefore we need this, we need this and we need this. These are the three data that we require. So therefore let us create little space, calculate this. So our formula is sigma is equal to summation of all the fi xi square minus summation of all the fi xi divided by summation of all the fi divided by summation of all the fi minus 1, a root of that. This is what we need to find. So let us replace each of these. So this we know, it is 89. Okay, this is 90. summation of all the fi into xi square, that is, this is going to be 860 square divided by 90, and this value is this. This is 8458 minus. Okay, so we have replaced the values. After that, what are we going to do? So let us find out what is this. So therefore, this is equal to 8458 minus, this is equal to 8217 divided by 89. This is what we need to find. Okay, so this is equal to, when you do the calculation, you will find that this is equal to root of 2.7. Okay, that is root of 2.7, which is nothing but 1.64. So therefore, in the standard deviation for an discrete distribution, this is how we calculate.